Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to BigQuery for e-commerce forecasting, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to BigQuery for e-commerce forecasting, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for a data connector app that integrates Shopify with Google BigQuery. Select an app that suits your needs and install it. Once installed, configure the app settings. You will need to authenticate your Shopify account within the app. Follow the prompts to grant the app access to your Shopify data. Next, log into your Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Navigate to BigQuery in the Google Cloud Console. Set up a dataset within your BigQuery project. Once the dataset is created, you will need to configure your data transfer. Return to the data connector app you previously installed. Locate the option to connect to BigQuery. Enter your BigQuery project ID and dataset name. Ensure that the data transfer settings are accurate according to your preferences. Specify which Shopify data you want to send to BigQuery. Choose the frequency of data updates, whether daily or weekly. Confirm and save your configuration. Now initiate the first data transfer from Shopify to BigQuery. Monitor the transfer progress within the app dashboard. Once the data transfer is complete, check your BigQuery dataset. You should see tables populated with Shopify data. Use SQL queries in BigQuery to analyze your e-commerce data. Start creating reports and forecasts using the imported data. Consider utilizing Google Data Studio for enhanced visualization of your forecasts. Regularly review and optimize your data transfer settings to meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.